Hello everyone, we present to you a collection of cinematic fog overlays and transitions bundle. Simply drag and drop the overlays onto your timeline, adjust blending modes, and customize opacity. The pack also includes a vertical version, making it perfect for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and other mobile-first content. Elevate your storytelling with the power of cinematic fog, perfect for dramatic reveals, eerie ambiance, or dreamy transitions. Each overlay and transition is delivered in high resolution, ensuring crisp and natural fog effects that blend effortlessly with your footage. Whether you're working on films, trailers, music videos, or social media content, these assets bring instant mood and style to your visuals. This high-quality pack includes 15 stunning fog overlays and 15 smooth transitions, designed to enhance any project with a professional cinematic feel.